sir call my name, I feel shocked. It can made us funny.
You know what?
Because,
No, you know.
Ay, katawa, ay, katawa.
I was shocked and then
And,
I'm not totally confused when I was reading in speech.
ay, mo katawa.
Last week.
So,
But I know
ay, katawa.
that God's speech is very, very hard. Very deep when we pronounce some of words in speech that was given by sir.
Ay, nagka-tense.
Sir, yung speech, Berto,
Thank you, class.
Maria sa Marisa? What? How do others evaluate you, or what do others see about the way you do your speech? Okay, yes, speech. What was your comment when I was standing here and reading or speech some, you know? Keep quiet.
How do others evaluate you?
Comments of others, they true or false? Especially Sir Garces when he speech here in front.
The tense or
It's not yet ready yet, but when you speech in front, you did not prepare, and you lack of self-confidence. You feel shy.
Are they true or false? True.
Not totally true.
Ah, tama.
Any movements or gestures that may have been caused by shame. Explain.
Ay, katawa. Nawaw ka. Ka-tense.
So far, sir,
Comment, comment.
I have made movements or movements that can distract to the audience or they make them funny because the way we speech in front, we feel shy or ashamed because if we pronounce some words, I don't know, sir, if others maybe they make some funny because they make funny because if I pronounce mistakes there or something that can make their funny. That's it, sir.